Many AT&T U-verse customers experience frustrating issues with their set-top boxes that require more than a simple restart to resolve. These problems include frozen screens, boot loops, unresponsive interfaces, and various audio and video issues that can disrupt your viewing experience. When these issues occur, there are three main types of reset methods available, each designed for different severity levels of problems. The soft reset, also called a system restart, is the gentlest option. It preserves your settings and recordings while addressing temporary software glitches. A hard reset, or factory reset, is more drastic. It erases all custom settings and recordings, returning the device to its original configuration. Force restart methods include power button resets, unplugging the device, or using the red reset button. These are often needed when the box becomes completely unresponsive. Understanding when to use each method is crucial. Most issues can be resolved with a soft reset or force restart, saving you from losing your personalized settings. These reset methods become necessary when you experience specific symptoms like frozen interfaces, black screens, continuous boot loops, or audio and video synchronization problems. As of 2025, AT&T U-verse continues to serve millions of customers, even as the company transitions towards streaming services. Understanding these reset procedures remains an essential troubleshooting skill for maintaining reliable service. Now that you understand the different types of resets and when to use them, let's move on to the specific step-by-step procedures for performing these resets safely and effectively. The first method to try is the power button reset. This is the simplest approach and often resolves most common issues with your U-verse box. Step 1. Locate the power button on your U-verse receiver. It's typically on the front panel of the device. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for exactly 10 seconds. You'll see the device power down completely during this time. Step 3. After the device powers down, press the power button again to restart it. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for the system to fully initialize. If the power button reset doesn't resolve the issue, try the power cycle reset method. Method 2 is the power cycle reset. This involves completely disconnecting power from the device to clear any temporary issues. Step 1. Locate the power cord at the back of your receiver and unplug it completely from the device. Step 2. Wait at least 15 seconds. This allows the device's internal capacitors to fully discharge and clears any residual power. Step 3. Reconnect the power cord firmly to the receiver, then press the power button to turn it back on. If both previous methods fail, you can try the red button reset, which is a more forceful restart option. Method 3 is the red button reset. This method forces a manual reboot and is useful when the device is completely unresponsive. Step 1. Locate the red reset button on your receiver. It's usually behind a small panel or door on the front or side of the device. Step 2. Using a paper clip or similar small tool, press and hold the red button for 15 seconds, then release it. Step 3. Wait for the device to automatically restart. This process may take several minutes to complete. If none of these methods work, you may need to consider a factory reset, but this should be your last resort. Factory reset is the most drastic option. It will erase all your custom settings, recordings, and preferences, returning the device to its original state. To perform a factory reset, access the System Setup menu on your receiver, navigate to Reset to Factory Defaults, and confirm the action. This process takes 10 to 15 minutes. If problems persist after multiple reset attempts, or if you see hardware error codes during startup, it's time to contact AT&T technical support for professional assistance.